Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Muhammad Razim Rosdi. So for this video, I am going to show you some of the functions in Google Sheets that you can utilize to represent your data. So let's get into it. So the scenario is you are assigned to create charts and you need to present it to the public on social media based on data that you have received from the internet for the latest COVID-19 cases in Malaysia by states. The data must include the total cases recovered and total deaths by the virus. However, you do not know how to present the data the way you want it using spreadsheet software. So for the first step, you need to open your Google Chrome app. Then you can either search for Sheets, search bar, and click on the first link that appears. Go to Google Sheets, or you can simply click these 9 white dots on the top right corner of your tab under the bookmarks bar and scroll down, search for Sheets, click on it. Then you will be directed to the same home page of Google Sheets as before. Then bring your cursor to blank or the image which have a plus sign. You click on it. On the new page appear, you need to name your file as After you're done naming your file, you can either import your file or create a new table to represent your data. So to import your file from other file that you have created before or files that people have shared with you, click File, then Open, and you can choose any spreadsheets that you want to use. But for this case, I am going to teach you how to create a new table chart to represent your data. So you can create a new table by holding your mouse left click and drag and draw a 4 times 15 table. Then you need to add borders for the table and bring your cursor to the format bar and click on borders, all borders, and it will look like this. Next, you need to insert all of the data that you have searched and collected on the internet. For the headers, we will group states. Second one is total cases. Third one is cases covered. So when this happens, when the word exceeds its own cells, you need to text wrap it, or you can simply double click on this main column so it will fit perfectly on cells, or you can text wrap it by clicking text wrapping, wrap, and like this. The last one, okay. Then we insert all of the states. It's the same case as this is recovered. So it's double. Then you need to enter all of these states in Malaysia. So we will start with Selangor. And you can add new data under it by simply clicking double click, or you can just press enter to add a new data. So this is the same thing happened when we go cases recovered. So you can wrap the text by text wrapping, and it will look like this. But I prefer we double click on the main column so it will fit perfectly into itself. Shift to states under it. And lastly, directory of next, you need to enter all of the values for the total cases recovered, and total deaths for each and every state. After you have entered all of the values, you need to make your table look tidier. So what you can do is you need to select the cells that you want to centralize. So you can go to the horizontal align and choose center, and it will be centered, or you can choose the cells that you want to be centered and use hotkey by pressing CTR control key, shift key, and E key at the same time, so it will be centered as well. I also will be centralizing the values of cases and deaths for every state. And then you can make this centered for the vertical alignment by using this vertical align tools and choose middle. So This will make your table look more nice. You also can add a title for your table by merging your cells, 4 cells, by clicking Format, merge cells, and merge horizontally, and type latest cases in Malaysia. Press enter. Then center it. Done. You can also calculate the highest, lowest, and average COVID-19 cases from states by simply using the function button, the Google Sheet. But you need to make 3 new tables. So in this column click header, stop cases covered. So we can grab the text or double click for them to make it fit the cell. But for this, I will not grab the text because it will disturb the cell, this row. So I will just double click, center the vertical and horizontal. So how can we calculate the highest basis in and from that we can know states. Click this function button, max, or right click from cell C3 until C17. Press enter. You'll get that highest total cases is 10,369, and it is from Sabah state. So we need the same step for cases recovered and deaths. For cases recovered, right click from cell D3 until D17, and for total deaths we drag from cell D3 until D17. For the lowest cases recovered and total deaths, you can use mean function and same step by holding your left click and dragging from C3 to C17. This is D3 to D17 for cases recovered, and for the depth we drag from E3 until E17. For average, we use the average function. Okay. So for the average total cases in Malaysia, there are 1,625 cases. For the state, average cases recovered is 131 cases in the states. For the average death, that is 14 deaths states. You can also fill in the cells with any color that you like by highlighting the cells and then click fill color, then choose any color. For people to easier interpret, so I will use the color for the axis. Color. Yes. On the sticks orange. For the values like gray, blue. I can also bold the header. To state that this is the important part of our data, and also we can put our title. Other than using the basic functions, you can sort the data with a ascending or descending order according to the values. So let me show you how to sort the data. First, you choose the header, the data that to sort. Then you click data, sort range, just column C as it's the other cases, or you can change the header from C to the cases if you click this. Then you can choose whether to sort it on descending or ascending order. So I will choose descending order. And it will show you the highest total cases to the lowest total cases. For the next step, you need to create a pie chart to show the percentage of COVID-19 cases in Malaysia by states. You need to select the data set from cell E2 until C17. Then you click on the insert chart button and it will generate a random chart for you, so you can edit your chart. There is suggested chart, and also many types of chart for you to choose, but we will use the pie chart. And then you can customize your chart freely. You can edit background color, so I will choose like orange background color, chart that color. Fine, you don't need to change it. Then you can maximize the pie chart. Like this. or you can make the pie chart 3D and help to understand better chart. And you can edit the donut hole, so it will very big a hole in the center of the chart. If you want to, you can choose the percentage, but I don't want the donut hole. For the pie slice, you can choose for the all of the states and change the color. So for example, I want to change Selangor color into other color such as pink, so it will change the pie chart. But I will use the two color pack. And for the chart and axis titles, you can change the chart title as the percentage of price states. And you can change the text color. I will use black color so people can see it clearly. You can move and the font italic, but to show it better. For the legend, you can change the position, the top, bottom, left or right, or you can choose label chart. So I will choose label as it shows the percentage of every states, but small the small states it will not show the percentage. Then we can adjust the position of our chart and